Hello again, it's Pat from CedarCoast Homes, and this is one of those how we do it videos, and this is a really cool option for mixing concrete and putting the mixture together right here on site. I'm here with Ryan. He's our site supervisor here at CedarCoast.
Good morning, everybody.
And he's just going to go through how this works as an alternate to the ready mix trucks.
So this truck's a little different than the ones you'll normally see on the road. This truck actually mixes our concrete on site. So up in this box, you'll have Portland cement, sand, and our aggregate, along with the water tanks at the front. And this allows us to mix right here. We can control our mix, whether we need it, a little bit wetter, a little bit more firm. We can control that right on site. And then this control panel will show a few different things. It'll show stone and sand, or water, how much is left on the truck. And then you're able to control the various mixtures down here. So you could add fiber if you're doing a concrete slab, or there's even color you can add. So it will come down through this truck, mix it in the hopper down here, and then it'll send it out to our pump truck. So a few advantages to doing it this way is, one, like I said, we can control our mixture. Another important thing is it reduces waste. While we're mixing as we go, if they have extra material up in this box, they can take it away with them and use it on the next job. They don't have to use it on this site. Whereas if you had a full truck, that concrete, whether you used it or not, was going to be waste. So this is nicer to reduce waste on our jobs.
Yeah, absolutely. And then once it gets mixed, it comes into this pump machine here.
Yeah, so this is our pump truck. As you can see, the concrete gets loaded into this hopper, and then this pump will pump it all the way down to our site, where the guys will be filling our concrete forms.
Awesome. Well, we'll have to get a video down there as well. Thanks for watching.